to all present here. I am V.P.Muthukumar, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science and Applications, VICAS-V.P.Muthukumar College of Arts and Science for Women, Autonomous, Tiruchengode. Now we are going to discuss about the topic C language. C programming language was designed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Laboratories in the year 1970. Standardized in the year 1989 by ANSI. ANSI stands for American National Standard Institute, so it is also called as ANSI C. And international standard ISO in 1990, which was adopted by ANSI, so it is also known as C89 as part of the normal evaluation process, and the standard was updated in the year 1995, so it is called C95, and in 1999 is called C99. The Dennis Ritchie, the picture, Dennis Ritchie's picture shown in this slide. Next, we see about the basic structure of C program. C is called a structured programming language. Why we called it is as structured programming means a larger program can be divided into number of smaller ones, smaller portions. Those portions are called modules or procedures. Finally, the procedures or modules can be executed independently. Finally, we combine together to produce the final output. That's the first one is a preprocessor directive and the global declarations, and we include the main functions, and the local declarations takes place, and we give the body of the statements. After that, we may add some functions here at last. Next one is a greeting program, and that is a hello world program. First, we include the header file, hash include stdio.h. stdio stands for standard input and output. .h means header file. Next, we include the main functions. There is only one main function in this C program. Why? Because the program execution starts with the main function. Next, we include the print statement. Print statement is used to display a string, display a given string. Here we give the string that is hello world and return 0. The value is returned to the operating system. The output will be looks like this in the screen, that is hello world. Next one is the keywords. Keywords are C tokens that have a strict meaning, that is a predefined meaning in C. So it cannot be used as variable names, function names, pointer names, etc. And ANSI C supports the edited keywords, that is auto, break, case, char, const, continue, default, do, double. These are the examples for keywords. Next one is the identifiers. Identifiers are the named memory locations, and the rules for identifiers are the first letter must be an alphabet or underscore, and remaining letters are remaining digits can be used, and the first 63 characters alone considered. And keywords cannot be used as variable names or identifier names. And the special symbols underscore only used. These are examples for valid and invalid keywords. The first one is A, that is a valid key name, and student underscore name. Underscore can be used, so it is also valid. And int underscore name, it is also allowed. And invalid for $sum. Why it is invalid means the special symbol $sign has been included here. And next one is a digit 2 names. The digits are not allowed here, so it is invalid. And the student space number, no spaces are allowed here, so it is invalid. Next one is a types. A type defines a set of values and a set of operations that can be applied on those values. That is, the categories are void, integral, and floating type, and its C notations are void, boolean character, short, and a floating type means float, and a float imaginary, float complex. And the variables. A variable means what is variable? A quantity may vary during the execution of the program, that is called variables. And variables are also called the named memory locations, which is also have a type, such as integer or character or double. Here we have a program segment example, that is how do we declare a variable type. First we give the variable type, that is a character, and the variable name is code. Next we declare the variable I of the type integers. Program segment source here, character code equal to B means in memory whatever the action takes place means it will create some amount of space in memory with the name code, and the given value will be stored there. Next is a simple program to print three numbers. First we include the header file, hash include stdio.h, then we include the main functions, and we declare local variables. Here we declare three variables for getting the input a, b, c, and we need to store the output in another variable, so we need to declare another one variable that is called sum. These are all of the type integer. Next we give the print statement, that is we will print the string welcome, this program add, and next we give another one print statement, the three numbers, enter the three numbers. Next print statement in the form, that's what kind of that is which format we are giving means we give the integer values, so that is in the form. And we scanf is a statement used to get the input values. It's a %d, and %d refers the integer values. We will get the inputs of a, b, c. And these values, after getting these values, we have to add this, and the result will be stored in the variable sum, and we will print the sum value. That is print of the total is sum. Next we print thank you, have a good day. The output will be looks like this, that is welcome. This program adds three numbers, enter the three numbers in the form n, and after that we give the inputs. The inputs are 11, 22 and 33, and the result is the total is 66, and it will print another string thank you, have a good day. Next we move on to constants. That is, a constant is opposite to keywords, sorry, variables. That is a quantity does not vary during the execution of the program, that is called constants. It's a fixed value that do not change during the execution of the program is called constants. Constants are data values that cannot be changed during the execution of the programs. The constants representations in C are integer constants, floating constants, and the character constants. Code strings can be enclosed within double quotes. Next one is the operators. In C, operator is a symbol that is used to perform some mathematical and logical operations. Operators is used to manipulate data and variables. C supports the following type of operators, that is arithmetic operator, relational operator,